Do you know the loud noise from the city will affect your eyes and tongue? But first, you will have the best luck this week, if you like. And follow me within 3 seconds. City loud noises won't only damage your hearing. When the noise is too loud, the sensitivity of a person's visual cells decreases. People who stay in this environment for a long time are more likely to experience symptoms such as dizziness, eye pain, and eye fatigue. Noise can also disturb your tongue. Under the influence of noise, you can't focus on perceiving the taste. You will notice that sweetness decreases, umami increases, and overall, the food tastes weird. A study by Oxford University found that people who are exposed to traffic noise for a long time are more likely to become obese. For every 10 decibel increase in noise, BMI will increase by 0.14, and waist circumference will increase by 0.27 centimeters or 0.1 inches.